the Commodore MPS 1270A Inkjet printer. This is an item I was not familiar with at all till recently. It was about almost 2 years ago I saw it on Sutek's Twitter feed when he was printing his monthly calendars with one, and ever since then I had to get one. These guys are hard to find, let alone in fairly complete in good condition. This one was advertised new in the box, but as you're going to soon see it, clearly it was not. Right there as I'm pulling it out, power cables all over the place. And to my surprise, for some reason I didn't expect this, the power cable is also for the European market. Did come with a fairly new, or at least unopened, Inkjet cartridge. Now here they put it in the plastic wrap, and even though it's wrapped up, you could smell the smoke on it. Data cable, missing its label, kind of peeled off, a little bit used. And then when I took it out of the plastic, there was yet another surprise. Look at the corners of this thing. You can see fingerprints from black ink. And as I open it up, you can see black ink all inside. Whoever had this was obviously in a fight with their ink. And I don't know if the printer won or they won, but all I know is I got to clean this thing up. Here we got our connections for the IEC serial and the Centronics. So this will work on many machines. Let's clean this up. So here it is. Wasn't hard to clean up. It all came off pretty good. Plastic's in good condition. Now we'll fire it up and try a test print. And I did put in some new ink. And we're off. It is printing. Doesn't sound like a dot matrix, but it is quite satisfying. I was very excited by this printer, unlike I have been by many. I don't know what it is about it. It's just the simplicity of the inkjet. It can do tractor feed, friction feed. But either way, it's a pretty darn cool little printer, and I look forward to being able to use it not just on the Commodore 64, 128, or even the Plus 4 or others, but also to use it on the Amiga 1000, 500, my Macs. Heck, I can even hook it up to my modern PC with a USB to Centronics adapter. The print is sharp, very good, no smudging, no smearing. And there you go, the first official test page for me at least on this Commodore MPS 1270A printer. I will be doing more with it, more videos to come definitely, calendars and so on. But I hope you enjoyed this quick little reveal or unboxing or whatever you want to call it. And I hope you like and subscribe and come back for more videos. Until next time, have a good one.